Hi everyone, welcome back to Treetops Montessori YouTube page. So in today's video we're gonna make snow fluff. All you need is a cup, a measuring cup, food color, a dropper, a bowl, spoon, some corn flour and some shaving cream. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so let's put some corn flour. You need about a cup of corn flour. That should do. Okay, let's put that into the bowl. Let's add some shaving cream. Ooh, that looks nice. Let's use our spoon and we're gonna drop it in. Okay, now we're gonna add some food color. Oopsie. Just need about 4 or 5 drops of food color. Okay, let's just leave that there. Okay, now you're gonna mix. So we're gonna mix slowly so we don't spill. Okay, by now you want to get your hands in. So let's take some Sakina or some corn flour and just dust some in your hand so it doesn't stick, and let's mix. Ooh, that looks nice and it feels nice. Okay, let's look at how it will look like. Okay guys, so here's what I've made. So this is how it will look, and you can make a snowman, you can build something, make a mountain, make a teddy bear, and you can enjoy yourself for this, because I really enjoyed myself, as you can see. Okay guys, so that's about it on today's video. Hope you enjoy making snow fluff. Take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.